Hello guys, welcome to my channel. This is Tosif. Today I am going to find out why deep freeze compressor tripping. Okay, let's start video. Okay, let me open the cover of compressor. Then I see there is a one fan motor, one starting capacitor, one running capacitor, and one relay and one overload. Now I have on the switch. After few minutes, it gives supply for compressor and fan motor. Now compressor is running but fan motor is stuck. This is main reason of tripping because when compressor run condenser heat too much, it will not go out because fan motor is stuck and it's take high ampere and compressor will be trip. So I have changed the fan motor and now it's running smoothly and let me check the ampere. Its ampere is also low, it's 2.2 ampere. This is good for a small deep freeze compressor. Now its temperature is also going down slowly. After few minutes it's gone -1 degree. This is the main reason for a compressor tripping. Sometimes capacitor may be weak. Now it is running good and temperature is also going down. Okay guys, thank you for watching this video. Subscribe for more video. Okay, love you.